There's unsettling news for the 3,800 people who live on Fox Island. The Fox Island Bridge either needs major repairs or to be replaced. The Fox Island Bridge may have one of the best views of Puget Sound and Mount Rainier, but the longest bridge in Pierce County's inventory is failing.
Structurally, it's got issues with the foundations. There's some degradation. The deck is wearing, and the bottom line is it's over 60 years old.
The people who live on Fox Island rely on the nearly 2,000-foot bridge, and a public meeting was just held to talk about what to do.
It's their sole link. I mean, that's the way that people get to and from the island to the Gig Peninsula.
Giving the Fox Island Bridge a new lease on life won't come cheap. The price tag for major repairs is around $20 million. Replacing the whole bridge is an estimated $130 million. County officials say the planning has to start now.
A bridge like this is significantly more expensive than any other bridge in our inventory. And as a result, you need to start planning on how are we going to address this and what are we going to do so that we can figure out how we're going to pay for it.
It exceeds our total road budget by several orders of magnitude. This would be a major project, so it's important that we not only start thinking about what we want the replacement or rehabilitation to look like, but then start building a funding strategy, and that will take some time in and of itself before we can even get to the design phase.
From funding to permits, the process of fixing Fox Island Bridge could be 5 to 10 years down the road.